Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to find a career. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Figuring out what you cost. Most humans begin via way of means of asking themselves, what am I passionate approximately? After which consider all of the cool shit they love to do whilst they drink beer with their friends, video games, foosball, underwater basket weaving, after which lament that they'll in no way make any cash. But this technique misses the factor entirely. Because asking yourself what you experience is superficial, maximum folks most effective revel in these items for quick periods, or while there's no pressure or stress placed on us. 2. Figuring out what you're exact at. Having a concept of what you price on your existence receives you within inside the proper ballpark. However, if you're going to locate the correct profession, you furthermore want to be right at what you do. You would possibly have a few technical abilities you realize you're appropriate at. That's an apparent region to begin, and if any of these abilities are aligned with what you price, hey, you're one step in the direction of locating the precise profession for yourself. For instance, let's say you're correct at putting in place complex spreadsheets, studying budgets, and you do an excellent activity dealing with your cash. If you're a person who additionally values private finance and cash management, you would possibly make an excellent monetary planner. 3. Figuring out what the arena values. The very last step in identifying how you'll receive a commission. If you locate something to do which you price and you're accurate at it, however you don't receive a commission, that's a hobby, now no longer a profession. And there may be truly not anything incorrect with having hobbies. In fact, all of us want something in our lives that we do for the natural and easy delight of doing it. But that doesn't place meals to your desk or pay on your kids' college. You receive a commission primarily based totally at the cost you upload to the arena. So what does the arena fee sufficient to pay you for? 4. Join a membership or take a path in a place that pursues you. By becoming a member of a nearby membership or taking a category in a place associated with your pursuits, you could benefit a better knowledge of the subject and whether or not or now no longer you may see yourself doing it as a profession. One instance of this will be in case you are interested by turning into a private trainer. You ought to take health instructions or take a non-public education path, to peer whether or not or now no longer you continue to need to pursue a private education activity. 5. Don't be afraid to change. Most humans start off with an concept approximately what their ideal profession is probably, and maximum humans come to be in a profession this is unique than the only they taken into consideration first. That's okay. College majors aren't lifestyle sentences. If you didn't discover the appropriate profession the primary time around, you could nevertheless create it. Consider methods to apply your principle differently. And schooling foremost is probably beneficial due to its emphasis on planning. An accounting principle may prevent the rate of hiring a person else to stability the books on your entrepreneurial venture. It's all approximately reframing. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.